feel like Diamond Alexis. Period. Because that's who you are. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this Sunday reset, it's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna run errands and basically get ready for the week, clean my brushes, clean up the house for makeup bookings for the week, like all of that, okay? And I'm gonna take y'all with me. So yes, I'm looking a little bit blurred, but it's okay. Have you been tuning into the oral diaries? Have you been tuning into the makeup tutorials? Have you been tuning into the Sephora haul that I did, the MAC haul? Like, let me know in the comments. Let me know. But your girl is working, and I have so much editing and studying to do today because it's the first day of May, and it's time to get back in the grind mode. Like, I was hustling, moving in. Now I gotta grind. It's time to put my foot on the gas a little harder, okay? So yeah, my plant is still thriving, my orchid. Let me show y'all. Just kind of show y'all through the y'all see her? I'm taking good care of her, okay? But yeah, so let's get ready. I'm ready to, I just want to just come back home, put on some relaxing clothes, and literally just clean up. It's 9:15 a.m. I should be back home by 10:45 to like 11:15, but I'm gonna stop at Starbucks first. And yeah, I mean, I really don't have that much to go, you know. My sink is full of dishes. There's stuff on the counter, that's fine. The study area, it's been a mess. Like, I need to get some organizers and stuff like that because that is not doing it for me. Let me see, because I need some organizers. Like, you see, it looks really bad. So I think while I'm at either Walmart or Target, I'm gonna figure out what I can get to organize this stuff, because this is not how I rock at all. Yeah, couch needs to be fixed. Everything needs to just, I just need a clean slate. I'm gonna take y'all with me, okay? Let's go. So y'all, I'm done shopping. So the lady in the store caught herself trying to have attitude, like my cashier. It's hot, y'all. It got hot fast. But yeah, she caught herself trying to have an attitude when I was like, you know, because like the way I shop, I like to organize things, right? So I had everything organized in like the little, like, y'all know that clear bin. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. But it's a clear bin, so I basically like put all the products in there because I don't like a messy basket. Like, you can ask everybody, you can ask my boyfriend, like, I don't like a messy basket. Now if I'm rushing, then okay, but even then I'm still trying to make sure that I can see everything in the basket. So when I was and mind you, like I said, I had got a lot of, like, a good amount of like products, so I only had 2 bins and like the towels on the side. So imagine everything that I got neatly placed in those organizers. And then I just got a the trash bin, the black trash bin with stuff inside of it too. So there's 3 organizers with stuff in them, and then a stack of towels and a rug. And I'm just like, in my mind, I'm like, I don't see how that's not like because now you don't have to wait on me to keep grabbing stuff out of the basket. Everything is right there. But she was just like grabbing the stuff and slamming it on the counter as she was scanning, and like, and she was an older lady. So she was like, and I spoke to her. I was like, good morning, how you doing? She didn't say nothing back. And I'm not the type of person that's gonna be like, I said good morning. Like, no, you hear me, you blatantly ignoring me, so I'm not finna entertain this. So I just kept being nice, like helping her. And like she was like she did a huff and puff to one of the bins. I'm gonna show y'all one of the bins. Like it has like stuff that's meant for that bin, so it's kind of taped down, and she thought that it was like more products in the bin, so she had got an attitude and tried to snatch it. And then she was like, oh, this goes together. And I said, yes ma'am, because I see you with your attitude and it's not doing anything for you or me, so stop. It's too early. Like I said, it's 10:36 and I'm gonna get home right on time like I said I would, y'all. But it's just the fact that it's too early for people to be having an attitude. I was thinking that was convenient, so I'm gonna still keep doing what I do, because can't nobody control me. But it just don't make sense. Like at the end she was like, I was like, you have a nice day ma'am, thank you so much. And then she was like, you're welcome. She was like, your hair is so healthy. And I said, thank you, have a nice day, and left. But I could tell she felt bad. So I don't know. You look, just do you, baby. Just do you. That's what killing them with kindness look like. That's what they mean. Because people be having their own issues. I understand it, but you at work, boo. You gotta let that go. For real. So yeah, but that's pretty much what happened. And I'm finna go home and I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that I got. And then we're gonna start cleaning up the house for the month of, well, not for the month of May. Like, I'm never gonna clean, but I'm like introducing May. Did I say March or May? Introducing May. We're gonna go in with a clean house. Okay, so yeah. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all when I get to the house. I still got my coffee that I have not drunk yet. I was drinking it in the store, but the thing about, oh, I'm spitting. The thing about Walmart, they baskets are not like Target's. Like Target has a cup holder, and I like that. That's so bougie. But yeah, I don't believe in grocery shopping at Target though. But yeah, bye y'all. My camera about to die. So I'm back and I'm gonna tell you what I got, because I need to hurry up and clean and change the plans. I'm actually gonna go work out. So I need to stop like always feeling so stressed out when I know I'm like backed up on stuff, but I still want to like do things that you know, I haven't been working out for weeks, so, or dancing. So me and my, I guess, dance buddy or dance partner is kind of like, it's been weeks, girl. But yeah, all right, so I'm gonna hurry up. So I had got Mr. Clean scrubbing pads, a caddy to hold like cleaning supplies that's in my kitchen sink, carpet odor eliminator, a waste basket for my for my restroom in the bathroom. I need to wash this, but this is a shower rug, a bath rug for outside the I'm gonna put this in front of the sink area, but I'm gonna wash it first. So I'm gonna go ahead, before I even start cleaning, I'm gonna fill these up. These are Clean Coat all-purpose cleaner sprayer bottles. They're glass and they're so cute. They're matte black. These are actually on Amazon too, but they was in Walmart, so I was like, okay, I don't even have to go on Amazon. I can get them right here. And I like what they promote in their brand for: 90% less plastic, no slip silicone sleeve, easy grip design. It was like refilling, not landfilling, and I like that. I like that. Yeah, but this is gonna be Fabuloso and bleach, so yeah. All right. Then I got scrubbing bubbles and scrubbing bubbles for the shower, toilet. Got these two. That's the washer in the background, okay? Then I got me some more dishwasher packs, because when I'm on the go, the dishwasher be saving my life. I got some, where is the spray bottle? At the bottle, I got scared. I was like, oh no, I didn't throw it away. So now I can refill. I'm not nobody, like, I'm talking about like my friends when they were over. Yeah. So there's that. Refilled it. This is trash. Uh-oh. Wrong bag. Okay. Then I got a scrubbing brush because I don't have one for cleaning up. I don't have one and I need one. Dang, I need some scissors. Gloves. Gotta have the gloves. Keep the nails beautiful. Nobody has time to be messing these up, baby. So the gloves it is. Got those. Because my last pair got wet on the inside. I don't like that. Actually my last 2 pair. And I will keep buying these reusable gloves because no chemicals. Okay. I am gonna start off in the kitchen though, cleaning. I got some oval cotton pads. I thought this was different and I want to see how it looks in my bathroom. I got the pink stuff that everybody be talking about to clean my appliances that might have got stained by food or something. More Epsom salt because y'all know I love to do bubble baths. Have I filmed? I probably haven't even filmed it. I love to do bubble baths. Y'all probably don't even know. I love the Dove hand soap. I have I forgot what brand that is, but yeah, I already have one. This is just when that one is done. This is the Melatonin Sleep Blend Body Wash, Epsom salt, whatever. So I like to use this at night. Help me go to sleep. It smells so good. And I was thinking if I can just, because what if I want to do a regular soak, you know, and not want to feel sleepy or too sleepy, too relaxed, putting melatonin in my body for no reason. So I was like, I'm just gonna have this as the overall, like my default, and then if I want to be sleepy, put 4 or 5 pumps of this in there with in the bath water with the soak, and I'll be fine, instead of just buying a whole nother pack of this that has melatonin in it. Like, I'm not gonna do the most. You gotta be cost efficient right now because I have things to save up for. Okay, so last but not least, these are going to be the organizers for the desk area that I showed y'all earlier in the video. This is trash. And then I got me some more Clorox wipes. So that's pretty much all that I got. Yeah, so let's get to cleaning. And a little bit of update. So I just registered for classes, y'all. Like, my anxiety, not really anxiety, like I'm just excited to finally be able to finish nursing school. And now, girl, it's already starting. Like next Monday I have to do a whole dosage cal exam. So the heat is on, and I'm gonna start studying this week because I was studying in January, but then I was like, why am I'm studying so freaking early? Like, I don't want to forget it, so I kind of wanted to still be fresh. So I'm starting May. Like, this is the week that I start. Like, today is the day that I start. So yeah, y'all are looking at this vlog on Sunday, but this is really like, what's today? Tuesday, May 2nd. So yeah, so I'm starting today. I was supposed to start yesterday, but I worked a 12-hour shift yesterday, and yeah, no. All right, so let's start cleaning because I'm losing time. Okay, so let's. Okay, because the camera died on me, but I was trying to say, so I just finished working out, and before I left I had got a lot of stuff cleaned up. The whole entire kitchen is clean. I just need to put up those dishes, and then that's just the detergent and the clothes softener, and then I still have to do this part. So I'm gonna wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and because I did this side, but I just need to finish my room, and I need to finish this side, and this camera about to die. And the whole bathroom is clean, tub, toilet, everything. Room needs to be cleaned, study area needs to be cleaned, and that's in the closet. I want to like get my winter clothes out and put them on the storage unit in the balcony. This camera's about to die. This is where I'm going to end Sunday reset. So I will see y'all in another video. Have fun, have a great week. God loves y'all, and I love y'all. So y'all just stay positive. Don't let the devil get you, and don't let him mess up any relationship that you have, whether it's friends or intimate. Stay positive. Let God fight your battles. Give it to God. Don't worry. Bye, y'all. Have a good week.